on that her name was Veronika. Well, she used to have a carefree mind of her own and a delicate look in her eyes. These days I'm afraid she's not even sure if her name was Veronika. Do you suppose the hands in hands are eyes Veronica's got to hide all the time she laughs and blows and shouts her name and Stephen close. Veronika, Veronika.
Happy Thanksgiving,
Days drag by in the favors way. Did he roam down the town all the while? Will you wake from your dream with a wolf at the door, reaching out for Veronika? Well, it was all 65 years ago, when the world was the street where she lived, and the young man sailed on a ship in the sea with a picture of Veronika. I'm the Empress of India. Closed her eyes upon the world and picked upon the bones of last week's news. Just spoke his name out loud again. Do you suppose the ways and hands and eyes Veronika got to hide all the time she laughs and blows and shouts her name and steals clothes? Veronika.
Next year just one. There's an animal in there I can't find. Like candy bar?
Veronika sits in the favorite chair. She sits very quiet and still. When they call her a name,
the next chair. I'm going to give it a chair and the cup.
But she used to have a
The chair has roses on it.
with the devilish look in her